Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create your own beautiful customized Christmas and holiday cards with Zazzle. So if you're not familiar with Zazzle, they're an online print-on-demand marketplace where you can create customized products that have been designed by independent artists and designers. They have thousands of designs for you to choose from, so there's absolutely something for everyone on their website. So let's jump on the computer and get started. So I'm gonna head over to Zazzle.com. So I'm just gonna search for Christmas cards here up in the search bar on the top and just see what comes up. So they have tons of different styles of Christmas cards, including your traditional folded card. They have sort of postcard style ones with foil, got trifold cards, which are pretty unique and interesting. So if you scroll down, you can see all the different types of cards they have available. So there's tons of these kind of add your own photos. You can add your own name, customize elements of these Christmas cards just to make them like extra unique and special rather than just sending plain old Christmas card. This is just gonna add, that extra touch to your Christmas cards this year. So some really cute options here. These real foil ones are really, really stunning. You could go with something a little bit more modern. So I really like this one because it's just really striking. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to personalize these Christmas cards. So I'm going over here on the right hand side and clicking on personalize, and here you can see all the different parts of this card that you can customize. So I'm actually gonna scroll down here to the edit using design tool button and click on that to edit this card in Zazzle's design tool. So now you can see over here on the left, we have all the different layers that make up this design. So you could actually go in and customize every single one of these pieces. You can change the font if you want, or if you double click, you can edit the text. So I'm gonna change that to our names. And now I'm just gonna go through and customize all these layers so that this card is exactly how I want it. So here we have the inside left-hand side of the card, and this here is the photo that I want to replace. So the easiest way to do this actually is probably to go back over here and replace the photo. Using this section here, I'm just gonna go ahead and change the photo to this one. So now I'm gonna go into the design tool and edit the rest of these layers. So now that I'm finished with customizing these cards, I'm gonna go ahead and click on done. So now I'm just gonna go through each of these preview images here and just double check that everything is correct and that I've customized every part of this card that I wanted to. And I just wanted to point out that on the back side here, there's this little QR code, and you can actually remove that. If you scroll down on the product page, there's this attribution section that says remove independent creator credit. So if you click on that, it's actually gonna remove that QR code. So make sure to check that off. So you can also add envelopes, which I'm not gonna do because I'm ordering custom envelopes. And the size, we're just gonna keep it as the standard size, and paper type, you can make it matte or gloss. I'm gonna stick with the gloss. And I also want to have an instant download available immediately so that I can send that out electronically to a few people. So I'm gonna actually select print and instant download option. So now you can see here that I'm gonna have an instant download and the printed version. And here it's showing me what that instant download looks like. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my cart. So you can see here, I already have access to my digital download, and I can go ahead and download this directly to my computer or to print. You can download it as a PNG or a PDF or a JPEG, and you can select the pages that you want to download individually or download them all as a zip file. So lots of different options. You can also personalize this further. So I also wanted to order a few more styles of Christmas cards just to see how those look. So I got this really cute one here that's like a tri-fold. I also wanted to get one of these gold foil ones that have real foil, and I also got this one. I thought it was really adorable. I just really like the artwork. And this one as well, you're able to customize the interior or further edit with the design tool. And this is the embosser. I got this embossing tool as well, so I can add a custom touch to my envelopes. And I also got this one that's also like a tri-fold style, but you can detach the image here so people can take that off and then put it on their fridge or something like that, which I thought was a super cute idea. So then I also got these envelopes that have this cute interior lining. And then finally, I ordered these return address labels as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wait for these to arrive in the mail, and then we'll see what everything looks like and put it all together. So these are all the cards I got. First we have the gold foil ones. So beautiful. And this really cute reindeer card. And our beautiful blue one that we did together with the photo. And this is the tri-fold card. You can see all the different pages and images I added. And the back side is really cute too. And we've got this like woodland forest critters card with a custom interior. And this is our other tri-fold card that you can fold up. So I'm just demonstrating how that works. So this one you don't need an envelope for. And here I've got my custom envelopes with the interior lining, and finally our return address labels and the embossing tool. And now I'm gonna put together these Christmas cards. So I'm gonna use the embosser here just to add a little custom festive touch to the envelope. So I've added the embossing, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and put together these Christmas cards. So now it's all done, and this is what they look like. So super cute and festive, and these are all ready to address and put in the mail. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you were inspired to create your own Christmas and holiday cards with Zazzle. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for even more DIY holiday tips.